This trip started like many others. A quiet morning in the woods with the goal of finding a clear spot to cook my Cornish hen. Just me and the trees, and some time to unwind. I started with the basics, clearing out the site, gathering firewood, and laying the foundation for my stone fire pit. I wanted to do it right. Slow cooking over the coals, you know?
Oh, nice.
After setting up the hammock, I carved 2 wooden stakes and a spit for the rotisserie. It felt like one of those calm, productive, relaxing afternoons.
Right here. And I don't think that my plan is going to work out. It's not. Actually, plan might work. And it's going to work just fine. Yeah. And then we can just rotate and we're clamped in. I think that'll do the trick.
But the sky started to change. I heard thunder in the distance. Low at first, then louder. I knew I didn't have much time. First drops hit as I was cutting the last few pieces of firewood. I rushed to string up my tarp, barely finishing before the downpour began. Thunder cracked through the forest, and it was great. Despite the storm, I was focused on cooking. I used thick bark and extra logs to shield the fire from the rain, slowly building up a steady rotisserie burn, while lightning flashed in the background.
Still raining like crazy. Lightning too. No wind today though. No wind at all. I put bark over top of everything. Seems to be helping. Seems like I keep adding and removing logs.
I got to capture one of the loudest thunder claps I ever heard. Everything lightly shook, but somehow the coals stayed lit and the Cornish hen kept spinning.
I think I'm gonna pull this bark and just save it for when it rains heavy. I don't think there's... I wanted to kind of hold back on firewood too. Hey everybody, bad news here. I lost my headlamp. I misplaced my phone. I'm using the light off my phone right now. And I just had my belt knife. Just took a tug at this leg here. Looks a little pink, but I wanted to give you an update on the bird. Almost done. Look what I got. The headlamp was in the hammock. I was sitting on it. I went through everything multiple times. This is great. Oh, look at the bird. Look at that. All right. Got some coffee. Cheers, guys. I'm gonna set that bird up right here and just pick at it. Looking forward to that.
Eventually the rain eased and the feast began. The golden brown hen was everything I hoped for. Hot, juicy, and slow roasted. Right in front of my hammock, too. As night fell, I stretched out, full and satisfied. I laid out my blanket and drifted off to sleep.
Well, I had an awesome day. I had a lot of fun. I didn't expect the storm. A lot of changes. A lot of lost and found. But had a great time. Hope you guys enjoyed it too. We'll catch you in the morning. Good morning, everybody. Back to rain again. It died down earlier. I was rolling around, fell back asleep. Now we're back at the rain again. So, just gonna hang out here for a little bit and see what happens. Hopefully we'll get a break in the rain. All right, everybody, I'm gonna say goodbye now. I gotta hit the road, meet some obligations. So now all I gotta do is cram all of my gear into my bag and hustle out of here. Good thing I got a compass with me so that I know exactly where I'm going and I'm not running in circles. But yep, so gonna head out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.